So this is the part 2 of the video, the sewing part. The part 1 is on my channel. If you've not watched it, go and watch it. So now, this is the lining. I'll be joining the lining first. Then after, I will join the main fabric. So this is the center back. This is the waist area. So I measured 2.5 here, 2.5 here for the waist area. So to leave a space of 5 inches. So I'll be using 0.5 to join together. Okay. So when I get here, I'm going to top stitch, then jump to this point. So this is it. This is the space. So by the time I joined everything together, I'm going to use this space to bring it out. So now I'll be joining the sides. So for the sides too, we'll be joining with half an inch, 0.5. So I'm going to go ahead and join the rest as well. Then I'll come back and show you everything. Then for the front panel, this is what we have. Let me just join this side so you can see how it is. So I've pinned it down. I've pinned the two together. Then half inch as well. So this is for one side of the front panel for the lining. Then I'm going to do the other side as well. Then the other side of the back panel. Then don't forget to notch when you're done. Just so make sure you notch so it can relax well. Then here too. And when you're notching these midpoints, be careful of that allowance. So when you get here, somewhere close, just do like this. You see here, this is the place I'll notch. Then you come here as well. So I'm going to go ahead and stitch the rest and come back and show you everything. This is the main fabric and we're joining the front and the back panel together. So we'll be joining the front panel and the back panel together with 0.5. So I'll be repeating the same process on this other side as well. So I'm going to repeat the same process for the lining as well. Then after that, I'll be cutting the sleeve. Then we'll come back to join the sleeve to the main fabric and the lining, the sleeve for the lining to the lining. Then we'll join together with the collar. So this is the shoulder pad I'll be using, and I made them myself. So if you're interested in knowing how I made this, comment down below so I can make a video about it. So now this is the lining. I'll be joining the sleeve of the lining to it. You'll be using 0.5 for the sewing allowance. This is it. And I've done the other side off camera. So the next thing I'll be doing is to join the sleeve of the main fabric to the front and the back panel. So add the shoulder pad. You see I've notched it here, then also here. So I'm just going to come. You see this side is very flat, while this side is curvy a bit. So this side that is curvy is what is going to be here. You see? So you're just going to position it this way. The midpoint. So for the sewing, don't sew directly on this line. Okay? So you come outward like this. Then you make your stitch, not on this line. Is here. This is where you make your stitch, not here. So the stitch is going to be like 0.4. You know, for the sewing allowance for the sleeve, for the journey of the sleeve to the main bodies is 0.5. So for the shoulder pad is going to be 0.4. So this is it. I hope you can see it. So when I turn it, this is what I'm going to have. Okay, so the next thing I'll be doing is I'll be tacking this point. I'll be tacking it down to this side. So here, just come here. See, it must not get outside here. Then you secure it. So for this side, see, I'm done with the shoulder part. Next thing I'll be doing is I'll be joining the lining and the main fabric together. Then also I'll be putting the collar as well. This is the down part of the suit. The lining is 3 inches shorter than the main fabric. Okay, even also the sleeve as well is 3 inches shorter than the main fabric. So we are done with the hem, with the down part. Then also I forgot to show you while I was fixing the collar. I was joining the collar. So this is it. I've done that. So the next thing I'll be doing is to join the front together. The front, I'm going to join 0.5, which is ½ inch. So for this other sleeve, and remember guys, you hold your sleeve like this, hold the shoulder like this. When you do it like this, then you take the seam allowance, make sure they face each other, then you turn them the way I did, then you go ahead to stitch down. And when you are trying to get the two sleeves together, the lining and the main fabric, you have to be very careful and patient, because if you're not, you might end up blocking the sleeve hole, and you will think you are doing the right thing. By the end of the day, you realize that you've made mistakes. So the way I did it, carefully do that, then pin everything together and stitch with 0.5. So you remove the pins, and we are done. So what I'm going to do here is I'll make sure this place is free like this. Then the other side too, I've done that. So here, remember this opening that we left on the lining. So that is where you are going to bring out your fabric from. And careful, if you're removing everything, you have to be very careful. So for the sleeve, I'm just going to put my hand like this and bring it out. Then the other side, I'm going to put my hand this way, then bring it out.